Welcome to our tutorial on how to unlock the Telegram app on your PC. Let's go through the steps to easily remove the passcode. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you have the app open, look for the 3 lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 lines icon to access the menu options. From the menu, select Settings to proceed to the Settings page. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy and Security. This will take you to the Privacy and Security Settings section. Within the Privacy and Security settings, find and click on Local Passcode. This is where you can manage the passcode settings for your Telegram app. Click on Disable Passcode, which is usually highlighted in red at the bottom of the screen. This action will prompt you to confirm the decision to disable the passcode. Confirm the passcode removal by clicking on Disable. This will successfully unlock the Telegram app on your PC, removing the passcode protection. By following these steps, you can easily unlock the Telegram app on your PC, providing convenient access to your messages and settings without the need for a passcode. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in learning how to unlock the Telegram app on your PC. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.